Yeah. Oh, you already know what we gon' do. Hey. Well, if you guessing it's me, you guessed correctly. I just stay with a stallion. You would swear I was an equestrian. I'ma hit her with that pipe, call that Nancy Kerrigan. Stay on the greenest greens, call us vegetarians. You be on that minor league, but we smoke professionally. I do my job exceptionally, on point like a decimalist. The way I ride on the beat, man, I beat up the street, it's done so effortlessly. Yeah, so these niggas can't sleep on me, there's no inception in this. Bitch, I'm top chef, you top rum, and I'm top shelf. No last call, tell the bartender what you got left. Pour it up, don't stop there. Hold your cup, take a shot, yeah. All night we celebrate, cause we everywhere and you not there. Ha. All we do is pour it up, all night, drinks out.
That's all we do, that's all we do.
And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds.
Strange clouds.
Strange clouds. Yeah. All we do is pour it up, all night, drinks out.
That's all we do.
And all we do is light it up all night. All you see is strange clouds.
Strange clouds.
Strange clouds.
Blue jeans, I'm faded, minding my own data, smoking on that strong, that Arnold Schwarzenegger. Essentially, you bitch, you hot as an igloo. Kick back on that Glock, call that jujitsu. Hello world, I'm with a yellow girl, number 2 pencil. These rappers is washed up, spin cycle, rich you my nigga. All day, all night, half pipe. I dive in that pussy, yeah, I belly flop, I jackknife and shit. Tell my homies that I say it's a party. Yeah, got that tech for technical difficulties. I'm top dog, you top rhyming, I'm top dog. Pyru, gangsters, outlaws.
All we do is pour it up all night, drinks out.
Young rule out there.
And all we do is light it up all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds. All we do is pour it up all night, drinks out.
B.O.B. fuck with me.
And all we do is light it up all night. All you see is strange clouds.
Strange clouds.
Strange clouds.
Strange clouds.
Well, ain't no question, yes, it's B.O.B., yes, definitely. Up in the studio, I got all my necessities. If you want that real shit, you made the right selection. I'm dedicated till I die, yes, I rep that definitely. They say I'm a celebrity, what the fuck's a celebrity? I guess I must invest in the proper form of protection. And I say it's a curse, but it's still mostly a blessing. To a nigga from the hood trying to aim for the top, I didn't even need no directions. I just wake up and then I roll up the perk. But these niggas wake up on my dick, at least have some breakfast first. Nigga, keep your nourishment first and your mind on my lyrics, cause what you hoping to accomplish, I already did it, bitch. All we do is pour it up all night, drinks